All right, guys, today we're going to take a look at a brand new pick profile. It is not the Loch Ness Monster, but it does have that name. Nessie Pro Pick. And that's no surprise. These come from LawLockTools. You can tell by these beautiful 301 stainless steel sandwiched handles. You guys have seen these before, very ergonomic to hold. And these are from LawLockTools. This profile, though, is not designed by LawLockTools. Instead, Steve Tipene down in New Zealand, a very gifted custom pick maker, designed these, and I'm going to have to put one of these down. They do come as a pair. One of them measures 23 thousandths of an inch, or 0.6 millimeter, and the second one measures 19 thousandths of an inch, which is half a millimeter. For some reason, my 19 thousandth measures only 17 thousandths. I don't know why that was, but you get both of these, this dual gauge set, for 12.95 pounds, about 13 pounds, which is $16.50. Tipene probably has a background in speed picking or competitive picking, because you can see he designed basically a 3-humper with varying frequencies on one side. And then after you rake your lock to a fault set, typically in competition, you throw the hook down, or the rake down, then you grab a hook. And this one, you don't have to fumble around trying to find that hook, because you lay Nessie right there on her back. And there you go. There's your hook to find that offending binding pin and pick your way into that lock, hopefully for the win. Anyway, guys, there you go. That is the Nessie Pro Pick. Not a lot to it, but I really would like to show a demo to show how well these things can work when you have an appropriate lock. So let me dig around, find some locks, and see what we can do with these Nessie Pro Picks. All right, guys, I grabbed 3 of these old East German padlocks. I don't know the brand name on these. They came from that same eBay seller that promised that they came from a former East German prison. I think we all know that's not true. But the reason I grabbed these guys is, first of all, they're all keyed differently. But secondly, they're wafer locks. But it appears that they have faults, at least one false gate on 1 or 2 of the wafers. So they traditionally, at least in the past, hopefully they'll do it for the demo, they'll give me a fault set, and then I've got to go get a hook, and I've got to pick 1 or 2 of the remaining wafers. The other thing, they have a very strong spring on the core, and it's real rough, as you can imagine. Aluminum body, aluminum core. It does work. There we go. And a very strong spring on that shackle. They can be shimmed, but this is not about shimming. There's what the key on this one looks like. So what I'm going to try to do is, these are really worn. You can see that keyway is quite wallowed out, but the widest tensioner I have is this one from Multipick, the SP14. I think it's 1.2 millimeters. It does kind of hang in there, so let's try it. Let's take our Nessie Pro tool. This is the thick one, the 23 thousandths, because you're going to see how rough I treat these guys. You treat it just like a rake. So I'll put her back in there first. Apply a little bit of tension to overcome, actually a lot of tension to overcome that spring tension, and then give it a good rake in until you get a fault set. And I just felt it click over. And then I'm going to roll the pick over and slide her in there and find, and I'm literally forcing it, find that last wafer to get them open. Or let's try another one. Again, same lock, same strong springs. This one's key looks like it spent some time outside. Pretty rough looking. Top of the keyway, if I can get it to hang in there. There we go. All right, take Nessie, put her in with her back pointing up, and give it some raking. And where's that fault set? There we go. Got a fault set. And then go in and find that offending wafer. And there he was, number 2. All right, let's try this guy. Same lock, same strong springs. This one's a little nastier than the rest of them. I think he spent more time outside. He's real gritty, and you can see he kind of hangs up there, but it does work. There's what your bitting looks like on this one. It looks like that last pin isn't even cut. Doesn't even play. Let's see if we can get him open. All right, good tension. All right, Nessie, show us what you got here. Slide her in, moderate tension because of that strong spring, and then start raking until we get a fault set. And there we go. And it won't be that last one I get. Yes, it was. There we go. I didn't think it would be that last one. I didn't think he'd come into play at all. Anyway, there you go, guys. A great combination tool designed by Tipene. As I said, I got these from LawLockTools in the UK for $12.95. That's in pounds. Dollars, that's about $16.50. You get the pair of two in what I believe is 23 thousandths and either 17 or 19 thousandths. I guess it depends on which production run you get. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Oh, the giveaway. Yeah, of course you're going to get these. And sweeten the deal up, I'm also going to throw in one of these new Lock Lab pinning trays. So there's the giveaway, guys, for this week. If you want to know how to register, stick around. I'll tell you. All you need to do is navigate to locklab.com, the tribal website, and scroll down in the middle of the page. You'll see all the giveaway buttons, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But the one you're looking for is the Weekend Review giveaway, purple band. Just click on it. It'll take you to the registration page. Again, scroll to the bottom, put in a good email address, so if you win, I can get in touch with you, let you know. Put in a username, doesn't matter what it is, and click Submit. When you're done, you'll get a green check mark confirming your entry. Thanks, guys.